to get you to float across.
Let me just... wait. Did it work? Got him! Wait. Oh.
Alright, we're there. I don't think I can get any closer without getting shot down.
No worries. We can get there from here.
Where are we dropping, boys?
I think I can hack this panel to get the door to open. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he does not open the door. Oh, we really gotta get you in there. I should be able to get you in there with this. Okie dokie, sending down that jet pod. Alright, here it comes. The cockpit is coming up. You should be able to gain complete control of the rocket from there.
Did you fix the engine? What? Hold it right there. Wait a minute. I know you. You're the guy that arrested the airship division, and now you're here to bring down the rest of us. Henry, are you in trouble? If you're in trouble, say flank steak.
No, wait, if you're in trouble, say nothing.
Oh, but someone
I still can't tell. Oh, actually, I can see it from here. Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
I got the sniper that spots out bad guys.
So I'll just take him out from here. Don't worry, there's zero chance that I'll hit you with this. Uh-oh, I'm losing control. Oh boy, this is bad. This is really... Oh boy. Oh man, I dropped my sniper rifle. Come on. I almost got control. Almost got it. Oh, there we go. No, I'm...
So I got that going for me, I guess. I bet this vent leads somewhere on the other side. Oh boy, we're running out of time.
Guys, the rocket's launching. We gotta do something before they get into orbit.
We need to come up with a plan. Quick.
Okay guys, I have the most awesome plan.
I'm gonna crash head first into the cafeteria window.
What do you mean? Like, you're gonna jump out and smash it with your head?
Oh, no, it's my helicopter. What do you guys think? I'm ready to...
Hold on. I don't really understand.
What's not to understand? It's simple. I fly the helicopter into the window.
But how does that help?
I don't really think you get it. Henry, you get it, right?
I guess I'm outvoted then.
I think it's a little bit out of range now.
You know what? No. This calls for some bold action. I'm the bold action man. Warning. Critical damage to core. Please evacuate immediately.
I've always wanted to do that.
Warning. Right here, combo time.
I gotcha. Alright, get to bring out the big guns.
Hey, should we get to go now?
I got the perfect plan. This is the greatest plan. Well, that was intense. Can't wait to go home. Don't worry about it. I'll find another way.
Henry? You there? Man, that roughed me up. Gotta know. Gotta be another escape pod around here somewhere. We did it though, we got him. Pretty good plan. Can't say it was the greatest.
General, the Top Hat station has been destroyed.
Excellent news.